Okay, in this video we're going to see if we can find the gradient and the y-intercept if we're given a straight line like this. Now, don't panic, this is still a straight line, but we've been used to using straight lines in this form. Y equals mx plus c. M is the gradient, c is the y-intercept. Now, if I want to find the gradient and the y-intercept of a line like this, I need to get it in this form. So I need to make y the subject. So it's a bit of algebra required here. I'm not going to. A common mistake is the gradient is the number which is in front of x, so it's clearly 2. That is not correct. You must have it in this form. So first of all, I'm just going to say that this is 3y minus 5 equals, and I'm going to take that 2x from both sides, so it's now 2x. Now I'm going to add 5 to both sides. 5 take away 2x, and I'm almost there with getting it as y equals. So now y equals, and I have to divide both of these by 3, so it becomes 5 over 3 minus 2x divided by 3. Now I can clearly see what the m number is. It's the number that's in front of the x. It has a minus with it here. So m, the gradient, is minus 2/3. And c, the y-intercept, is the number that's left here on its own, which is 5 over 3. So the trick is getting it into that form. Now we're going to have a look at another type of question. And for this question, I've been given 2 points. So I want to find the equation of the straight line, but I need to put it in this form. So if you watched a previous video, I work out the m. I work out the gradient if I've got these 2 points. And I take the second y number, and I take away the first y number. And I take the second x number, and I take away the first x number. So that's going to give me 2 over 6, which is 1/3. So I'm going to actually put this into y equals 1/3 x plus c. And I'm going to continue to work out the equation of the straight line, but in this form. I'm going to substitute in the first set of coordinates I've got. Makes no difference which ones you put in. 6 times 1/3, because that's the x number, so 6 times 1/3 is 2, add c, so c is minus 1. So now I've got this equation, y equals 1/3 of x minus 1. I want to have all of these as integers. It doesn't actually say that, but when you see this form, this question, all of these are integers, are whole numbers. So I want the x to be a whole number. So I'm going to times everything through by 3. So it becomes it becomes 3y equals times this by 3 to get x, and times this back number by 3 to get minus 3. I want to start with ax. So I want to have the a's or the x's at the start, and that's 1x. I want to take 3y from both sides. This stays on the other side, and now what I'm left with on this side is an equals 0. So I've now managed to get this into the form that I require, x minus 3y minus 3. So I times it by 3 and then took this away from both sides.